Tonight, I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world, I'll turn it inside out. Yeah. I'm floating around in ecstasy, so don't stop me now. Stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time, having a good time. I'm a shooting star leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity. I'm a racing car passing by like Lady Godiva. I'm gonna go, go, go.
Take this back!
There's no stopping me. I'm burning through the sky. Yeah. 200 degrees, that's why they call me Mr. Fahrenheit. I'm traveling at the speed of light. Whoa. Something mad out of you.
Alright, this is Nihal Sindrani live, Hustle Country Club. This is the 2018 Boat Project, and this is the final. This is game time. Jordan and Liam, last year's winners, are going again. The Ladies Love Luxury. Team Providence is going against them. 17 seconds. Alright, this is Ryan Fennell, Team Providence.
Oh, we're coming for the throne. We're not gonna have it for long, you know. We got a little surprise for them. Too much.
Alright.
Over here. I would like to say the ladies love luxury.
Alright, ready to win, and the Ladies Love Luxury. Stay tuned for more. Alright, this is the third team, third place, 22 seconds. We will cock you. This is Brandon Felix with the story.
Wait, Lil Pump. Is that right, Lil?
Basically right now we're gonna go. I think we could get a faster time than 22 because the team before did not try that much. So
We're hoping to obtain the grade.
We will see who wins.
We're gonna get this fat dub.
I don't think so. Say before we commence the finals.
Yay team! Yay team! Yay team! Yay team! Yay!
In this corner, we have the Ladies Love Luxury. In the middle, we have We Will Cock You. On this side, we have Hospitals of Providence. And the finals begin.
Supersonic woman of you. Don't stop me, don't stop me, don't stop me. Hey, hey, hey! Don't stop me.
Someone fell.
The Hospitals of Providence, I knew it. And I'm Nihal Sindrani, and this was the 2018 Boat Project.